So those are magnetic, so they hold together just...
Yep.
Wow.
That's it.
That's cool.
But they're square. So. But you gotta watch how you weld around them because it affects the arc.
The magnets affect the arc.
Yes.
Mm. So you just welded around those.
Yep.
So what do the magnets do?
Hold it in place.
No, I mean to the arc. Like, how do you have to compensate for it?
It can suck the arc one way or the other a little bit. So you just got to pay attention to where your pool is going, because it'll pull your pool offline.
Oh.
Because it's steel and it's magnetic.
Right.
Even though it's hot.
Yes.
So.
Okay. Cool.